Do you know the right way to handle and consume blackberries? Well, you're about to discover the top 10 things not to do with blackberries. We'll ensure you get the most out of these juicy, nutrient-packed fruits. Starting at number 10. Do not eat your blackberries before washing them. It's a simple step, yet critical to remove any lingering dirt or potential pesticides, ensuring you're getting nothing but pure, healthful fruit. Moving on to number 9, beware of storage pitfalls. Do not store your blackberries for too long. Storing blackberries in airtight containers for too long can lead to quick mold development. So remember to consume them while they're fresh, or consider freezing them for longer shelf life. Which brings us to number 8. Stay clear of mushy, foul-smelling blackberries. Quality is key, and these signs indicate that the fruit has passed its prime, and it's time to toss them out, so stay far from them. On to lucky number 7. If you're a berry picker, avoid areas that may be contaminated with pollutants or pesticides. Picking from clean, uncontaminated areas ensures the safety and quality of your fruit. Halfway through at number 6. If you decide to freeze your blackberries, rinse and dry them first. This simple tip will prevent clumping and maintain their delicious texture when you're ready to use them. For number 5, be aware of sunlight exposure. Do not leave blackberries in direct sunlight for too long. Leaving them in direct sunlight for too long can lead to faster spoilage, so store them in a cool, shaded area. We're at number 4. Always respect the expiration date. Do not buy blackberries without looking at the expiration date. Even if they look okay, using blackberries past their expiration date or if they show signs of spoilage is a no-go. Moving into our top 3, at number 3. Do not mishandle blackberries, handle them with care. Blackberries can easily bruise and get damaged, so gentle handling is key to preserving their quality and taste. Number 2 on the list, be gentle when washing. Vigorous washing can cause blackberries to lose their delicate texture, so a gentle rinse will do the trick. And finally, our top tip at number 1, consider the consumer. Do not serve blackberries to young children or individuals who may have difficulty chewing them. Consider mashing or pureeing the fruit for easier consumption. And there you have it, the top 10 things not to do with blackberries for better handling and consumption. Follow these steps to ensure you're getting the best out of these tasty and nutritious fruits. If you have any don'ts about blackberries that you want to share, leave in the comment below. I would like to hear from you. Want to know about 6 things not to do with blueberries? Click the video above and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more videos like this. Thank you and enjoy.